Alright, so today's video is going to be a pretty exciting one because I actually won another sneakers raffle, as crazy as that sounds. Super shocked I won. Usually I don't win these things, I have really bad luck with them. If you've been keeping up with sneakers, you know it's either going to be the Sacai Blazers or the Travis Scott Sixes, so comment down below which one you think it is before I show you. And also make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'd really appreciate it. So now let's get right into what shoes I got from the sneakers raffle. Alright, so I'm going to show you the box of these and that'll pretty much give it away on what shoe I got. So here's the box, orange Nike box. Sadly I didn't get the Travis Scott Sixes. I was really hoping to get a pair of those just because resale was so high. And if I got my personal size in them, I probably would have kept them maybe, depending on what they look like in person. I haven't seen them in person yet. Here's the box, got a size 9.5, which is not my size, so I have sold these already. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I got the black colorway, so I'm gonna show you that right now. So here it is, super clean shoe in person. I wasn't really like expecting too much of these, but having these in hand, these are super sick. Quality feels really nice on these. This whole thing's leather, I didn't know that. And I'm gonna make a review of these on my channel, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I'll probably upload it the day after this video. So not gonna go too in depth, but I did get these shoes and they're super sick in person. Just something I wouldn't wear though. I didn't go for my size. Now I would have worn the waffle ones that came out, but unfortunately I didn't get my size in those. I even paid for Wi-Fi on 2 devices because I was on a plane when those released, and I entered in 6 times on sneakers. I didn't get a single pair, so that was pretty tragic. Super happy I got these. I got these when I was at school during class because that's when the raffle was. Just a quick video showing you guys I won another sneakers raffle. I'm super happy that I won another raffle. Hopefully I'll be able to win more in the future, but so far I've won 2 raffles and that's pretty good. Some people I know haven't even won 1 yet, so I guess you could say I'm pretty lucky with these, but some people win like every single time. I don't know how. So if you know how to do that, please comment down below. I need to know how to do that. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.